Why we need to verify your website with Pinterest? Basically, the benefits are that Pinterest will index your account faster than regular users. Every time you pin something, every time you save something, it will go faster on the search results. Also, you will attract more followers organically. People will go to Pinterest, search for specific keywords that you are targeting, and the chances for you to be higher on the results are better if you have a verified website. Here is an article that will help you how to verify your website. It's an easy process. Basically, we have two options here. We can change the meta tag of your website, or you can upload an HTML file to your server. In my opinion, if you don't have knowledge of programming knowledge and you don't know how to change code on HTML code, the best option for you will be to upload an HTML file. So Pinterest will give you a file that you can download to your computer and upload that file to your FTP server. Here are some instructions. If you are not sure how to do that, you can easily contact your hosting provider. If you are with HostGator, Bluehost, or any other hosting, they usually have a chat help that you can just chat with them and saying, hey, I need help uploading this HTML file to my server in order to be verified by Pinterest, okay? So the link for this article is in the resources area of this lecture. You can download the PDF there and save it to your computer to have the links for future reference. But let me show you how you do the process actually. I mean, it's all here on step by step in the article, but I'll show you in the practice right now. Here we are on Pinterest. If we go to the top right hand side, we see your picture here, in this case my picture, and we go to settings. In settings, we click on profile, the second option, and here we have website. You see that my website is already confirmed, is already verified. You see the check mark here, so that means it's good, diegodavila.com. In your case, if your website is not verified, you will have the option here to generate a HTML code or to download the HTML file that you need to upload to your server following these steps in order to be successful, okay? If you have any questions about that, let me know. I can help you too, but I recommend you, if you are not comfortable uploading files to your FTP server, to contact your hosting provider and they will help you to accomplish that, okay? Let's verify my website right now. You see here we are on my profile. We went here on the top right hand side, settings, and in here we go to profile and we see here all my information on website, diegodavila.com. We have the option to confirm this website. So all we need to do here is click confirm website. And here we have the confirmation with the code, the HTML code that we need to place on the head section of your index.html file. If you know how to do that, you can do it. If you don't, I recommend it to call somebody that is a programmer, your programmer, or somebody that can help you with this. Another way to do it, I will show you this one step by step, is to download this file and upload this file to your website. And this is easier because all you need to do is just connect to your server using any FTP software and upload this file. So I'll do that right now. I'll show you how to do it. So click on this to download the file. Here we have the file. Let me put that on the desktop. Excellent. And I will use, in this case, a software called FileZilla. It's a free software that I will use to connect to my domain. Here I am inside diegodavila.com, and all I need to do now is go to my desktop. Let's see here. Let me refresh this directory. Here we are. This is the Pinterest HTML code, and I can copy this to my server. Excellent. Let's see. Here is the file. Wonderful. So now it's ready. I'll click finish here. Excellent. They are confirming the website. This can take up to an hour. Say okay here. And after that, you will see here on the confirmed website the checkmark saying that your website is confirmed and all is good. Okay, save settings right now. In the next video, we will continue improving your profile, making sure that this is super optimized in order to be higher on the rankings and in order to reach your audience that is ready to hear about your products and services. See you there.